Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about DOM and its DOM tree. This is our day 2 of JavaScript DOM. Before going to understand about DOM tree, let's understand what is DOM and what can be done with the DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model, and it's not a JavaScript concept, it's a JavaScript web API. That means it's a separate application interface where it can be used, or it will provide us a utilities to manipulate and add or delete or update our elements. And most of the people get confused whether we have to install or we have to import our web APIs. No, whenever our browser or a website is loaded, that web APIs will be loaded into our HTML page and we can access them by using its parent object. In this case, the DOM parent object is something like document. Whenever we want to access any of the elements, or if we want to utilize any of the utility from that web APIs, we can use a parent object called as document. Document is a keyword where we can access our web APIs. We don't only use web APIs, we have many APIs like timer APIs as well as storage APIs over our browser, and that they are not completely related to JavaScript, they are built over the JavaScript language. And now let me go into the understanding of DOM structure. Here we have something like a parent object called as document, and this is the tree structure of our document, and it would be something like a parent child elements. And here in this we are seeing a document as a parent object and HTML as a root element. HTML is divided into two parts, that is head and a body element, and this head element contains title, and the title is having some text called as my title. And in the same way we have body. Inside the body we can have n number of elements, and for this example, a anchor tag is one of the element and h1 is one of the element, and these two are sibling elements, whereas anchor is having my link and h1 is having my header. So we can use this DOM structure and we can write our code as well. That means whatever the code we have, that will be converted and used in this format. And if we want to access any of these elements, we can use some of the utilities of the DOM and some of the methods which are given by DOM APIs, that is web APIs. And let me show you how this will be generated. That means what is the example behind this to get DOM structure generated. For example, here we have index.html, and in this case what I want to do is just I have a HTML tag. Let me remove this and let me write HTML tag, and this HTML tag is having an ending tag. And now inside this HTML, if you see here, we have a root HTML. That means we have created our HTML content, and now we have created our header, head tag and body tag. Inside the head tag we have title. Let me create one title, and this title is having my title. And let me remove this h1, and inside this you have a body is having an anchor tag with an attribute. That means href as an attribute. Let me give https://www.google.com. This is my href value, and here it is something like my link. So that is the text which we gave for that anchor tag. And also let me create one more sibling called as h1, and here I can use my header as the text. And this way this particular execution will be created in this structure, and that is called as DOM structure, document object model structure. So whenever we write some HTML in this way, that will be creating a tree structure called as DOM tree in our browser, and it would be looking something like this. So hope you understand my explanation regarding the DOM structure and DOM tree. We'll try to use the utilities of this DOM in our further videos. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.